Welcome to a new market update, guys. It's Sunday. Let's look at Bitcoin, Ethereum and Gold. As usual, I really appreciate that. And if you like our content on the channel, of course, make sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the charts, of course. Let's start with the King Bitcoin as always. We were very high up last week, Sunday, and then we saw some push through Monday, Tuesday. It was looking like, especially Bitcoin could finally break that resistance. But unfortunately they couldn't. They saw a sharp dump on Tuesday, and then they just started railing down until Thursday, Friday, and now we're a bit in this range from 92,000 to 89,000. If you look at our levels, or at least my levels, Bitcoin sweep this important level was a perfect trading opportunity. I had this level as TP, but not as my entry. I should have just entered a short there. But it's all good. We have this support zone which they didn't tap here, so that's still open potentially. If they decide to go lower, we can surely expect to see a reaction from there. This level is of course a bit useless now, but just to indicate that there was a level here. If you look higher, we have of course this main level, but we can make a box of this zone. So this entire box is relevant, but this is the main level because of course you make a new high in this entire range here. You fail to, you make a lower low, and you fail to continue the uptrend. You make a lower high, my excuses, and then here you fail to continue the uptrend. So that's why that's an important level. So for Bitcoin, to keep it a bit short today, we have levels above and below current price, and we can surely see price go a bit lower, pick up this liquidity, or just continue the trend on the bigger picture. Because on the bigger picture, of course, for ours, we're still in an uptrend here. Of course, this is a bigger pullback, but we're not making entire new lows, so no reason to panic on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, it's basically almost the same thing as well. We saw some levels swept here on Ethereum and Bitcoin. This level was support but got swept. So we have our main support here, the $3,025. We have a lot more support levels on Ethereum, of course. Then if you look up, this is the main resistance zone. This price, and this can surely give a nice short opportunity if price decides that we're going to make new lows, but because then you can play the continuation short down, and that can be a very nice trade with possibility of a nice runner. For now in this range, I wouldn't be looking for trades that much because price can just create some liquidity here until they make the move, or price can rail up, rail down. Don't know what to expect in the coming days. It's Sunday. It's 11 a.m. when I record this. Most of the times, last weeks and Sundays, we saw some volume later in the day, like into the evening. So you can surely see already a move being set up this evening, the direction set, and then we'll see what the price does in the opening, I guess, on Monday. But on Ethereum, kind of the same thing. We have a big range, not many irrelevant levels in this big range, because what is it? 6% on Ethereum, probably the same thing, 5%. But this box is very interesting on Ethereum, surely keep an eye on that. On Ethereum as well, I don't really have that much to tell, because in the last weeks, and surely last week, we have seen some movements. I mean, these were of course tradable, but we haven't seen like big moves like the week before, where we are clearly gaining levels and moving to the upside. On gold, I know this is going to be a short market update, but on gold, exactly as we predicted and expected. We were here last week, and with the geopolitical things going on, we expected gold in the open to rise, and they did. Of course, this was not a pump where you make tons of money, not by 5%, but through the day and through the week, gold has been going up, and it's almost at a new all-time high there. 1% off, almost 1% off all-time highs. It's amazing. This is a very important support level. I wish I wanted to sweep it there, because that would have been a very nice trade. New, long to all-time highs. They didn't, which is also positive that this zone is still open. You can also, make it a box here. So surely you can play continuation long to new all-time highs there. This is a very important support. I mentioned that if they didn't open green, you could still retrace to this and then make the move. They didn't, which is maybe also bullish because they still have some support here, and of course your main support, the 4,240. For now, gold, it looks like they're going to make a new all-time highs in the next week. Why? Because it's just bullish. They saw a big drop off, as mentioned several times. We can't only go up, up, up. We saw a 5% drop, which is of course healthy when price has been railing to the moon for the past days, weeks, months. So this was no reason to panic. And now we see price recover nicely and is going up to new all-time highs. Short market update, guys, but for now that was it. Surely because I don't really have any relevant levels in my opinion, really onto price. For example, like let's say this was a relevant level, we're close to that. No, it's a bigger range at the moment, and that's why we will need to wait until Sunday evening, Monday, maybe even Tuesday to know what the market will do. And I hope we can finally see price doing something, breaking to new highs. And if we zoom out on Bitcoin, of course, we're a bit close to that when we created a new higher. So next week can maybe break out there, or that the market decides no, we're going to dump, the bear market is there, we're going to make new lows. I just hope one of the things happen, because in the past weeks, surely this price range here was not nice. You don't know what to expect. Trades are just bouncing between support and resistance levels. You want to have breakout trades and bigger trades. So hopefully we'll see that in the next weeks. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next market update. Bye.